Hey guys, welcome to Taste for You. Today we're going to be reviewing Doritos Late Night Sizzlin Cheeseburger, Doritos Creamy Jalapeno Popper, and I think I switched them a little bit. Fully Loaded Nachos. Stay tuned. Hey guys, so I have reviewed the Doritos Late Night flavors before years and years ago. I think it was the taco. And then I think there was a nacho flavor one. I don't remember. It was like way back when I first started the channel, so I don't remember. But right about here, I'm going to attach that video so you guys can check it out. I'm going to try this one first. I've heard online that it tastes like the McDonald's cheeseburger. You know, from the reviewers like Dirty Newfie. Check them out. Just food reviews. Drew's reviews. I'm not sure if you'd reviewed this or not. So if you have, I apologize. Talentless Cooking. I think you reviewed these. I'm not sure. My mind is today, guys. So we're gonna try this. Oh my god, this smells exactly like a McDonald's cheeseburger. Give you guys a look-see. Now, let's see the chips. That. Okay, we're gonna give it a try. Cheers. Yeah, I'm definitely getting a McDonald's cheeseburger kind of vibe. Let's try one more. Definitely tastes exactly like McDonald's cheeseburger. Definitely. You guys will look here again. So I'm gonna give this one a thumbs up. Definitely a pass. See if you want to try?
Yeah, sure. Let's see what's this one here. Late night chips, eh?
Sizzling cheeseburgers. Tastes like McDonald's cheeseburger. Right? It does. It gives me that kind of vibe.
Well, I like it. It's pretty good.
That's good? Yeah, it is good. Like, we think it's good. It's all about what you guys think when you try it. Okay, next, creamy jalapeno popper. Popper? Cool packaging. Oh. We'll see if this one tastes like it. I've heard mixed reviews about this one. Whoa, I definitely get jalapeno smell. It's really strong. Guys, let's see in there. Okay, so he gives that one a try there. Let's see. Look at that. Cheers. The beginning jalapeno and cheese to me, it kind of tastes like the McDonald's throwback sauce, the jalapeno cheddar nugget sauce. I don't know. That's what I'm getting from this. The jalapeno flavor is really strong. But if I taste the cheese a little bit, we gotta try one more here. This one is good and I do like it. I am going to give it a pass, but it needs a little bit more stronger of a cheese flavor. Again, really strong jalapeno. Like, as soon as you open the bag, like, whoa, it just hits you. But there is a little bit of a cheese flavor, but it needs a little bit more. But that one's pass. And the last one, fully loaded nachos. Okay, let's see. And that's what we're looking at. Oh, it's smaller. Yeah, I'll be able to. I don't know, this kind of smells like crispy nachos tacos. That's what it looks like in the bag. Here, we're gonna give it a try. That's what they look like. Well, some of them will look like this. Cheers. It does taste like nachos, but it also tastes like tacos. Sorry, I'm blocking me there. Cheers. They are good, but again, mostly ground beef and cheese, but these more seasoning. Oh, there we go.
Can I try?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try it.
Sylvester or Elmer Fudd.
Not bad.
With that last one, guys, I finally was able to taste not just the beef flavor, but the sour cream and the cheese. We'll take another bite. Yeah, that one was definitely better. So, as a pass again, needs a little more seasoning. So I'm going to see which one I like the best here. So, I'd have to say the cheeseburger one is the winner. The next one is the Jalapeno Poppers. And then third place is the fully loaded nachos. I like the cheeseburger one the best. Let me know in the comments if you guys have tried it. If you prefer any of the limited edition flavors that Doritos has had in the past, or if you prefer the classic Dorito, just let me know in the comments. Don't forget, when you go to my channel page, underneath the channel title, you'll see some links there. Click on it. You'll see a link there for the merch store. I'm going to try and post again a link for our AI store, Heath and I. It has products on there being sold on Amazon. I encourage you guys to check that out as well. And thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell. Bye, everybody.